The present and traditional standalone LMS is much like the industrial age. It's monolithic as it tries to do it all and assumes it's flexible enough to provide all of the functionality that the learner needs in order to have an effective learning experience. However, it ends up not being good at anything. Systems of today are rigid and often impenetrable, filled with proprietary software, learning content that is monopolized by a single corporation. Generic, because the decisions of what tools will be are made before looking at the needs of the user. As a result, all instructors receive identical tools across all educational institutions and organizations. But what does the future holds for LMS systems? Electricity arrived to change the industrial age. Just like the internet transformed our homes, giving us unique user experiences, uncovering the possibilities of new products created by the combination of media, data, or systems functionality. Systems of the future will look into mashing up tools and making LMSs more modular. In mashing up Flickr and Google Maps, for example, both tools are working independently but together to create a unique user experience, a modular system that is infinitely customizable and takes advantage of the current best-of-breed tools. Promoting interaction among online participants, enabling them to use the tools that fits their needs. So, if the educational institutions are looking for an academic program with more interaction, they get it. If they aim for a more self-directed learning, they could choose the tools that fit their needs. Companies will incorporate social networks into a more unified social landscape. But this is a landscape that cannot be owned by vendors. LinkedIn is powerful because it exists outside the boundaries of a corporation. It is what we heard before, de-institutionalized. And that is what will make LMSs of the future strong. The future is network-centric. Like Facebook, who places its emphasis on social interaction, vendors will look at the social network as a model more like Facebook and less like Moodle. Today's learners have different learning styles with different preferences and interactivity needs. They want choices. LMSs of the future will have the ability to recognize their needs, changing for them throughout the learning process. Learning will be individualized for their different learning styles, providing a more enriched and complete learning experience. The future looks bright with a more interoperable and adaptable learning management system.